Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The wings are still juicy and crispy, given that you bake them in a hot enough oven and you don't overbake them. This option is healthier than the deep fried, however they aren't quite as crispy or juicy as the fried wings. Technique: preheat oven to 425 degrees F. Lay wings and drumettes on baking sheet.
Let's help you make your mark.
They are deep fried in oil and are done in a few minutes. In home kitchens, most people do not have the large commercial fryers that restaurant kitchens have, so to make a large batch of wings, they have to be done in the oven, which takes a lot longer.
Let's help you make your mark.
Simply soak the chicken wings for 24 to 48 hours, then bring them to a boil on the stovetop. Best of all, the wings and be cooked up to 2 days before frying. One less thing to worry about come party time. We'll get your chicken wings on the table so fast you won't even miss your favorite commercial.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You basically do the first cook in an oven or on the stovetop at a low temp to pre-cook and render the fat, so the second step of a fry at higher temp allows the chicken to crisp more quickly without overcooking the wings. You still get the crispy skin on the final fry. You can flavor the stock however you want.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.